So we tell students to look at the horizon because it helps them not anticipate the ground coming. And so when you anticipate the ground, if you look down, I see it all the time, you look down, you reach for the ground, and just natural instinct to reach, and you separate your feet and knees, and you got one leg taking all of the impact when you're landing at 19 feet per second as a descent rate. And so if you look at the horizon, it just kind of fools your mind into surprising you when the ground comes. And that's, I think, the most important thing in airborne school is feet, knees together, always, and look at the horizon. And if you do that, you're going to have your feet, knees together. You're going to absorb the impact or the shock from the landing with both feet. And that's the way to do it.